to Success in Advanced English. Unit 1, Success is Attainable. Lesson 2, Vocabulary. Multi-word units. Objectives. The students are expected to understand the form and use of idiomatic expressions. The students are supposed to refer to the context to get the meanings of idiomatic expressions. Contents. 1. Introducing idiomatic expressions in form and use. Number 2. Compound nouns. 1. Idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions are those which contain a group of words that cluster together in one specific order. It's almost impossible to understand their meanings if we focus on the meanings of their parts. They have idiomatic meanings depending on the way the native speakers use them. Their meanings are rarely literal. When someone says, "It's raining cats and dogs," he intends to say that the rain is heavy. There isn't any single clue in the expression that can lead us to this meaning. If you consider the expression "to read between the lines," you can, in fact, find nothing between a line and another. This expression means that you should think of things that are not stated frankly in the text, but rather implied. If one is unfamiliar with any idiomatic expression, the context in which it appears can lead him to its use or meaning. Have you noticed the underlined expressions in the passage above? They are all idiomatic, whose meanings can be inferred from the context itself. So, let's do the exercises to check your understanding. Exercise 1. Below is a list of the idiomatic expressions shown in the reading passage, and opposite to them are their definitions. Match each with its meaning. Idiomatic expression. Definition. 1. A piece of cake. G. Very easy. 2. Take into account. A. Consider. 3. Pave the way. B. Introduce. 4. Cut classes. H. Not to attend. 5. Take the role. D. Call names for attendance. 6. Hit the books. E. Start to study hard. 7. Put yourself in someone's shoes. I. Be in his position. 8. With flying colors. C. Pass with distinction. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the suitable idiomatic expression from the list above. 1. My professor is so strict. He always blank at the beginning of the class. I can't be absent unless necessary. Takes the role. My professor is so strict. He always takes the role at the beginning of the class. I can't be absent unless necessary. 2. The first paragraph in writing usually blank for the rest of the main ideas. Paves the way. The first paragraph in writing usually paves the way for the rest of the main ideas. 3. Blank. The way others might respond to you when dealing with them. Take into account. Take into account the way others might respond to you when dealing with them. Number 4. She is skillful at driving. It's a blank for her. Piece of cake. She is skillful at driving. It's a piece of cake for her. Number 5. Her brother is a distinguished student who always passes blank with flying colors. Her brother is a distinguished student who always passes with flying colors. 2. Compound nouns. A compound noun, as defined in Oxford Dictionary, is a noun, an adjective, or a verb made up of two or more words or parts of words, written as one or more words or joined together by a hyphen. This section will focus on compound nouns in particular. As indicated in the definition, compound nouns consist of two items joined together to form one single unit. Sunglasses, fashion designer, and father-in-law are cases in point for the three different ways of spelling these as shown in the definition. It is worth noting that the order in which we join the words making compounds has nothing to do with rules. For instance, we have an alarm clock, but also we have a burglar alarm. There is no specific reason why we tend to order these differently. This is always the case with all vocabulary items starting from prefixes, ending with idiomatic expressions. Vocabulary items have only to do with use. However, meanings of compounds are not that much difficult to understand. Unlike idioms, the meanings of compounds are rather literal and can be inferred from the components themselves. Sunglasses, for example, are the glasses we use to protect our eyes from the harmful sun rays. The same applies to all compounds when it comes to meanings. We'll move now from theory to practice doing exercises. Exercise 1. You have below a list of words put in two columns. Form compounds by joining the numbers from list A with the letters from list B. Some words in the first list can be joined to more than one from the second list. A. 1. Hair. G. Dresser. M. Style. Hairdresser, hairstyle. 2. Screen. F. Saver. Screensaver. 3. Water. C. Resistant. H. Proof. Water resistant, waterproof. 4. Sun. A. Block. Sunblock. 5. Rain. D. Coat. Raincoat. 6. Camera. B. Man. Cameraman. 7. Food. E. Processor. Food processor. 8. Wrist. I. Watch. Wrist watch. 9. Dead. L. Line. Deadline. 10. Tooth. K. Paste. Toothpaste. Exercise 2. You can now make use of the compounds you've formed in the previous exercise, filling them in the appropriate blanks below. This mascara can last for long because it's blank. Waterproof. This mascara can last for long because it's waterproof. The blank can protect the monitor of the computer when left unused. Screensaver. The screensaver can protect the monitor of the computer when left unused. Using a blank while cooking saves us time. Food processor. Using a food processor while cooking saves us time. You can swim with this blank watch. It won't be affected. Water resistant. You can swim with this water resistant watch. It won't be affected. No delay. Tomorrow is the blank. To submit your assignment. Deadline. No delay. Tomorrow is the deadline to submit your assignment. Apply your blank cream 30 minutes before going out to protect your skin. Sunblock. Apply your sunblock cream 30 minutes before going out to protect your skin. The blank fainted suddenly while recording a TV program. Cameraman. The cameraman fainted suddenly while recording a TV program. Put on your blank before you leave. It's raining heavily outside. Raincoat. Put on your raincoat before you leave. It's raining heavily outside. The actress has a new blank. She looks much younger. Hairstyle. The actress has a new hairstyle. She looks much younger. Vocabulary. 1. Specific. Exact. 2. Infer. Conclude. 3. Spelling. The way we write down the word.